दो सध्याचे पॉलिटिकल सिच्युएशन कशें पळयता आनी हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस नाव?
पळय, हांव परत परत सांगता, विजय सरदेसायले 3 आमदार आसा, विजय सांबाळटा. बिसायड 3 आनी 3 आमदार सांबाळटा. सुदीन ढवळीकारा कडेन तेजो एक सुद्दां आमदार कसो सांबाळपाक जायना? हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दीस? हांव तुका क्वेश्चन करता. वॉट इज द क्वॉलिटी ऑफ लिडरशीप? हय, लिडरशीप वचपाक जाय न्ही, क्वॉलिटी लिडरशीप वचपाक जायना.
सो ही हॅज फेल्ड इन हिज लिडरशीप, यू थिंक?
येस, ऑफकोर्स ऑफकोर्स. तूं जर सगळें तूं आपुणूच म्हणटलो सगळें, देन इट इज व्हेरी बॅड फॉर द सोसायटी, बॅड फॉर द पार्टी. कालच्या म्हज्या एपिसोडान हांवें तेच सांगलां, एमजी पार्टीचे फंड तूं तुज्या ट्रस्टाक डायवर्ट करूं नाका. इट हॅज टू कम टू एमजी पार्टी न्ही, फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ पार्टी.
ओके.
दॅट इज नॉट हॅपनिंग.
ओके. आता एमजीपी पार्टी कितें आता कशी आसता आनी खंय उरता?
पळय, एमजीपी पार्टी म्हाजी आतां जबाबदारी ना. आय एम एक्सपेल्ड फ्रॉम पार्टी फॉर 6 years. 6 years means nobody मागीर ते later on consider it also. पण right now I cannot speak about MG party. It is their responsibility. It is the responsibility of 8 people who supported motion of ढवळीकर. म्हणजे ते सगळे पण कोण त्या दिसा मोशनाक सपोर्ट केला. इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू सेव्ह द पार्टी आणि टू प्रिझर्व द सिम्बॉल. That is responsibility.
Do you feel that you had taken the right step by writing a letter to the speaker then?
Of course. ना जाल्यार ते आनी वाट लायता. तेंका जर प्रिव्हेंट करपाचो, दॅट वॉज द ओनली रेमेडी. आणि दॅट इज ऑफकोर्स म्हाजो रायट, जनरल सेक्रेटरीचो रायट. बायपासिंग जनरल सेक्रेटरी, यू कॅन नॉट डू एनीथिंग यू वॉन्ट.
No, but does that letter stand? What happens to that letter which you had written earlier then?
No. Letter, I sent the letter in the capacity of General Secretary.
Correct.
And it will stand. Whether expulsion of me is right or wrong, that will be decided by the court.
Okay.
Yeah. Let court decide it. But my letter has to stand because General Secretary post is elected post, not nominated by President. It is elected by the members. So that is a permanent post, and he cannot just remove it because ढवळीकर feels it.
So do you feel that you writing a letter to the speaker could save your party and these MLAs from merging now?
No. My letter would have saved the party.
Okay.
Because what I was trying to say, they should not expel Babu Ajgaonkar out. All 3 together stay together.
Okay.
But he wanted this. Sudhin wanted to expel Babu Ajgaonkar. That was wrong. That was what I was trying to prevent. Without anybody's knowledge, they were into Hotel Siddharth, both here. Joined BJP. But after our intervention, me and Apateli, we intervened and told them not to break away. We can have another group in MG party, but save the party. That was our request to them.
No, but
they were ready. They were ready to.
Okay, sir. But आता MG party merge झाला whole MG party is gone or what it is? Just explain to us.
No. MG party, they cannot dismerge. Nobody can merge MG party.
Okay.
Because one single person. There are so many persons. Marlokar is there, Gajanan Tivnaik is there, Apateli is there, Kotkar is there. They all want MG to survive, MG to live, MG to serve the people of Goa. So they are starving very hard to save the party. So one person also can save the party.
So आता हे कितें मत जाला? हे MG पार्टी मत जाला MG पार्टीचे MLAs मत?
No. आता ताका there is no question न्ही. MG party म्हणून they broke away and joined BJP. So MG party म्हणून त्यांचे हे ना, अस्तित्व ना.
MG चे अस्तित्व ना?
No. These 2 boys, these 2 MLAs, they are not connected to MGP because they have already joined the BJP.
Okay.